It's summer and everybody's at the beach and everybody wishes to look like this. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use this to make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing and Canva AI totally free, even if you're an absolute beginner. And also, I'm going to give you not one, but I'm going to give you 2 tips that will change everything, that will help you to get even more clicks, to get even more free traffic. So with that being said, let's start. Okay, obviously first thing we need to do, we need to find products to promote. Now for that you can use ClickBank, you can use Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use ClickBank. And judging by the intro, you concluded that we are actually talking about weight loss. So what I need to do, I need to click here on health and fitness. And then what I like to do, I actually like to sort this gravity high to low. And here you can find good products that you can promote. So what you need to do, you actually need to research all of these products before you start promoting them. So for example, let's just say for the purpose of this video, I wish to promote this product here, Icaria Juice. Here you can see gravity score is 620. On average, I can make $135 per sale. Now that is a good money. So what I need to do, I need to actually open their sales page in new tab just to check it out. Because sales page is really important and it can make a difference between making sales and not making sales. Now these guys, they have a good sales page and they have 620 gravity, which means they really do have a good sales page. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to do a bit of research. Can we actually sell this product, and does this niche actually have a potential? So what I need to do, I actually need to go back here and I need to copy this Icaria Juice, okay? Control C, and I need to go here on Pinterest and then I need to simply paste that here, press enter. And here you can see, I can check out to see competition. Does anybody actually promote this product on Pinterest? And is competition big and strong? Now, judging by this, competition is not that big, it's not that strong, which means I can actually promote this product, I can actually rank this product as a top result here on Pinterest. As you can see, I installed sort pin so I can check out how many likes, saves, comments and other stuff each of these pins have, which means I know what I need to do in order to rank my pin as a top pin. So next thing we need to do, we actually need to use Canva to make pin. So I will go here on Canva and then what I need to do, I need to click here on custom and then here I will choose 1000 with 1500 pixels. Now that is the size of Pinterest pin. So next thing I need to do, I need to click here on apps. Here, that is really important. And then I need to scroll here and I need to click here on text to image. And then here I need to type my text. So I can say something like this: weight loss before and after, and press enter. And now Canva will actually create these images. These images are royalty free, which means I can use them on Pinterest. Now this is the tip number 1. Here you can see I used before and after. People like to see results. People like to see before and after because of that, because they wish to see does that actually works. And that is why whenever you can use proof, use before and after, people like to see that it will increase your click-through rate. This really works. Okay, and here you can see they gave me some images. So let's just say, for example, I wish to use, let's just say, for example, this image here. So I need to simply drag this to make it fit to my template, okay, like this. And this is also important. What you need to do, you need to do this, okay? You don't want to show their face. Now, for some reason, from my experience, this actually gives better results. If you show before and after, but you don't show their faces, for some reason, this works better, okay? That is from my personal experience. So that is tip number 2. So what you need to do, you need to drag this here. And then I will actually change the color of the background. So I will make it, let's just say, dark blue. And now I need to add a call to action. Call to action is really important. It can significantly increase click-through rate. So I can say something like this. So let me just click here on T for text and I will choose one of these text styles. So let me just scroll here and I will choose this one here. So I don't need this, so I will delete that. Okay, I will delete that, and here I will say something like this. Okay, and I will change the color of these letters to be white, for example. So let me just highlight this. Okay, and change it to be white. And I will make this to be wider like this and to be a bit smaller, just so it can fit my template, okay? And I will actually make this a bit larger, something like this. And I will move this here. So I will also click here and I will increase the space between the lines. And here you can see, now this is clickbait. I know morally that is not quite fine, but it works, okay? These things works. Here you can see she lost 20 pounds in 30 days without exercises. Nobody likes to exercise and everybody wishes to lose weight. And that is why this is a clickbait title. And trust me, you will get lots of clicks, okay? So all I have to do now is just click here on share and then click here on download and then here choose PNG and then click here on download again and download this image. Now next thing we need to do, we need to make a bridge page. And for that you can use Google Sites. Now I already did that and this is how it looks. Clean, simple, there is nothing to draw their attention from main thing, and that is from clicking on this big green button, okay? And I added my affiliate link here, so when someone click on this button, it will take them to the sales page of Icaria Juice, and if they buy that product, I will earn an affiliate commission. Now I will not show you how to make these bridge pages in Google Sites because I already showed you many times how to do that. So next thing we need to do, we need to start promoting this page. And for that, we are going to use Pinterest, okay? But first, let me check another thing on Pinterest just to see competition. So I will go back here on Pinterest and then here I will search something like this. For example, lose weight without exercise. Just to see competition, to see can I actually rank as a top result for this keyword here, because this is a stronger keyword. Now here you can see, okay, there is lots of competition. Competition is moderately strong, which means if I actually do a good optimization of my pin, and if I have a good image, and also if I get some repins and saves and comments, which I can actually get from AdMeFast, I can rank my pin as a top pin for this keyword here. As you can see, lose weight without exercise. And I'm guessing that I will be getting between 100 and 300 visits every day from Pinterest for that pin. And I can probably make at least one sale every day from those people. So which means this is actually a good keyword. So what I need to do, I need to click here on create and I need to create a pin. So I will click here, create new. And now I need to upload my pin. So let me just find my pin. This is my pin. And here you can see how it looks. Now this looks amazing. Like I said, people like before and after images and they don't like seeing those people's faces. And also I added a strong clickbait, which means I will have a good click-through rate. So all you have to do is just optimize this pin, add a good title, strong title with a strong hook, but include your keywords. Same goes for description, include your keywords. Also choose the right board and also add right tags that contain your main keyword. And then here for the link, you need to add a link to your Google page, okay? Simply copy this and paste that here. And all you have to do after that, just click here on publish and that's it. You will publish this pin. And like I said, because you have before and after image, people like that. And because you have a strong clickbait, people also wish to see that, because like I said, everybody wishes to lose weight without exercise because people are lazy. And that is why many people will click on it to see how this woman actually lost 20 pounds in 30 days without exercise. And then they will click on your affiliate link on this big green button to see how she actually did it. And they will see that she actually did it with Icaria Juice. And many of them will actually buy that. And on average, you can earn $130 per sale. So you can make good money even if you are a beginner. But fair warning, you need to work out the details. This is a short version of this method. But like I said, this works and you can make money with affiliate marketing, with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.